First, we thank the government for the great work done for opening up the other new route where vehicles are passing right now. But as far as the congestion that happens at that new bridge, for sure we are facing a pressure on these UNRWA people so that they can come and reopen the road very fast, because these days there is no work done. Since Christmas, during that season of Christmas, they just came once. They had to put some culverts on, they had to assemble some culverts, and since that time they have already left and we are no longer seeing them. So we appeal to government to put pressure on these people so that they should come and do work and end in time. Otherwise we are suffering.
Sylvester Mapoze urumeya wa town council ya Rubiriha yayanangiriza bityo kwataho bona kurebeka ngo rutindoru rwagarwaho mbwire nabwanyuma emishubure base kubukara.
We are expecting this bridge to have been worked on within a month or in 2 weeks time to have been repaired, but it's unfortunate that until now it has been almost, we are going to the second month before it's completed. And the challenge comes in that when they had made the temporary one, we went into Christmas season, and the UNRWA officials who were working on this one, the engineers, left for Christmas break. Until today they have
Banyuma y'urutindo kuceka ekitongole kiri kujunanizibwa hanguto mu ihanga ekya Uganda National Roads Authority UNRWA kikaraganisa abatura okuchukuza gukora hangutege hamwe n'urutindo omusandi ibiri zonka konka no kuhityo bwirobu taine cyakozirwe.
I'm still getting a lot of challenges. There is a jam that is coming over here on this temporary bridge whenever it's a market day on Tuesdays and Fridays. It's therefore still our plead to central government and particularly UNRWA to expedite working on this bridge so that work and services in Mpondwe Town Council can be worked on and continue as it has been before.
Makuraga gasha kwa Gerard Muhindo abasikaiti